Alright, today we're going to bring an LED light for your aquarium. This is a smaller version and there's actually a timer installed in here. Power on 24 hours, 7 days a week. This will automatically turn off if you program it right on the runtime. It comes with a power adapter. This is submergible, this part. It's well concealed inside the lights. So I'm going to put it in a small little aquarium here. You guys can see that. So we're going to light it up and see how it works. Alright, right now we're going to program it, and if you guys can see, I'm pushing the button right now. So this is for about 8 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours, 18 hours, and 22 hours. So right now we're going to leave it at 8 hours, but you can also change it through here, if you guys can see that, just by hitting the flash button. So we are going to keep it as 8 hours. That's how we're going to keep it on. But I want to show you the light in here. Here's the actual light. We're going to change the light mode. That was actually for the colors. So we're going to change the colors. Look at that brightness. Lower. You guys can see it lower down. Blue. Change to white. That's one mode. That's another one. Different colors. All over the place. We're going to turn off all the lights in here so you guys can see it better, but we're going to change it to white. I'm going to keep it as that brightness. Here's that one fish we have in here. Alright, so we have our light here, and I'm going to switch the light color so you guys can see. I'm going to switch the modes. Alright, I'm going to switch modes so you can see all the colors. All right, look at brightness, red, blue, different colors. This is perfect for small aquariums, easy to install. Today we're just going to turn it off so the fishes can fall asleep and call it a day. So let's do that. By pushing it off, you just hold on to the power button and it turns off completely.